Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Have another cool car in here today. 2007 Mustang GT with a super popular package that we install all the time. So this 3-valve Mustang is running a V3 supercharger from Vortech. It's a centrifugal style. It's running a set of aftermarket camshafts and a set of Pypes headers. Typically a package like this is going to lay down 500 rear wheel horsepower on a stock engine. Now, one cool thing about this car is it has our Brenspeed air-to-air upgrade. So what's the difference between air-to-air and non-intercooled? Here's the difference. So a non-intercooled supercharger is designed to function correctly. We relocate the IAT sensor as you drive around on a hot day or as intake temps go hotter, hotter, hotter. The car will start to pull timing, which is going to reduce power, but it protects the engine. So the solution to that is an intercooled supercharger. So you've probably seen us sell a lot of different intercooled supercharger systems. But if you have the non-intercooled, you can get the air-to-air upgrade, and what that does is on hot days, it's going to keep the intake temps cool. And what that means for you is it's going to keep power up higher as your intake temps aren't going to go up like a non-intercooled system. Let's make a dyno pull and see what kind of power this car makes. I don't know what you thought about that, but I loved it. Another 3-valve Mustang, 500 real horsepower on the stock engine. Take a look. So this car laid down 508 real horsepower, 429 foot-pounds of torque at 6,500 RPM. A really nice package available for install or mail order. It's very reliable. Aftermarket camshafts, Pypes headers, and the V3 supercharger. So again, this is our Brenspeed intercooled system. And we also have it available in non-intercooled. And the big difference, which isn't something you're gonna see on the dyno, because on the dyno we're not creating that much heat, but out on the street, when on a hot day and the intake temps start to go up, you're gonna make less and less power with a non-intercooled system, and that's where the Brenspeed air-to-air intercooler comes into play. This car is gonna be awesome on the street. I love it. If you have questions about this, please leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Give us a call, 574-594-9559. Need a quote on installation? It's simple. Email quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.